Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. First off, let me say thank you to all my subscribers, all my viewers, all my returning viewers and all that. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like, and leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the content. And also, I want to say very big thanks to all of you out there, those on my WhatsApp platform, those who calls to check up on me, those who send messages checking up on me and all that. I really appreciate you guys and I appreciate everybody out there who really means well for this channel. Now let's get to the main topic. I came across this guy talking about Ghanaians living in the Gambia and was kind of like making mockery of them because they are into fishing. I saw that video. I wasn't mad, but I was happy. I was very happy that at least he said the Ghanaians living in the Gambia are involved in fishing and nothing negative. I was so happy it had nothing to do with fraud. That Ghanaians living in the Gambia are into fraudulent act, which is causing problems for the Gambian government and all that. No, there was nothing like that. We were into fishing. I was so happy I never heard anything about the Ghanaians living in the Gambia perpetrating in all sorts of crimes, causing problems for the indigents of the Gambia and the government as well. No, I never heard anything like that. I heard fishing. And I was so proud of them and so proud to be a Ghanaian because it had nothing to do with Ghanaians in the Gambia killing innocent Gambians for money. I was so happy. And I'm so happy there's never been a day whereby the Gambians have complained about the attitude of Ghanaians living in the Gambia, though they have a whole community to themselves. But it's as peaceful as the typical Ghanaian community. Yes, that's Ghanaians for you. The good traits will follow you everywhere you go, and they never forget where they come from, wherever they find themselves. And do you know what? It wasn't like these people just stood up and went to the Gambia because they wanted to stay and fish there. But it was a journey to Senegal. But instead of Senegal, they mistakenly found themselves in the Gambia. That was way back in somewhere 1961, yeah, in the 60s. Yeah, somewhere in the 60s. And that reminds me some time ago when the Gambians came to Ghana just to learn how to do fishing. I think they were sent by the Gambian government. Before even choosing Ghana, they actually even had a look at other African countries. They had a look at other options. But guess what? They had no choice but to choose Ghana.
There are no chances our seventh generation may not actually benefit from it. So as a result, we decided, we looked at Rwanda, we looked at Nigeria, and then we also compared it with Ghana. But we eventually said, let's go to Ghana and see what it is. Because even at school, during when I was in school, most of my teachers at high school were Ghanaians, and we know what their strength is. And above all, when I came to study here, that was what brought me over to Ghana. And then I have learned, I have traveled far and wide. I had a lot of colleagues up to this place, Tamale. I've been there. So, and when we met at the Ministry of Fisheries, Their deliberation showed us aquaculture for food and for job creation. That actually pushed me more while I am here. Since I came, might interest you that I've been eating tilapia, and bangu. Right? And these are areas that are of very important to us. We are very, very interested, and we are looking forward to collaborating so that that job creation idea would also be transferred to Little Gambia. And there are a lot of youths, though the previous governments have been doing it, but it was based on political grounds.
So there's nothing wrong with that. And they've never been nuisance to the indigents of Gambia. If they have, they would have been chased out by now. But guess what? They're still there since the 60s. And the government and the indigents of Gambia has never had any problem with them. That is typical Ghana. Are peaceful even out of Ghana. We never forget to take that one thing with us wherever we go. On the typical Ghanaian, most times the typical Ghanaian always wants to stay out of trouble wherever he finds himself. Because he first acknowledges that, hey, I'm nothing but a visitor, or have to behave as such. I'm nothing but a traveler that have to behave as such. I'm nothing but a tourist, so I need to behave as such. And doesn't go to the country trying to force what they know on the people, or trying to always outsmart the people on the land. It's never that. A typical Ghanaian is not known for that. When I saw this video that this Cameroonian guy did, I laughed because it was funny. For you to even say this, you are in a way even portraying Ghana in the, his intention was to portray Ghanaians as low class people. Because he wasn't that smart, he forgot he's actually selling Ghana. Possibly. If you find a Ghanaian in your country, the Ghanaian doesn't mind doing even the dirtiest job just to make ends meet. Yeah. You'd rather prefer the dirtiest job than to get into criminal acts. The Ghanaian always remembers that life is a journey and you need to take it one day at a time. One day at a time. That's how we were brought up. Thank you for promoting the fact that Ghanaians would rather do the dirtiest of jobs to make ends meet than to kill their fellow human being. So I want you to come with me. Let's take a look at this video that has to do with the Ghanaian community in the Gambia. This YouTuber, Hayford, who went to the Gambia just recently, visited the community, spoke to them, because he had also heard of the Ghanaian community in the Gambia. So he was so curious to know whether it was true or not, and if really it is true, who are these people? So he took the risk, went to the community since he found himself in the Gambia, and this was his finding. Hey, before that, please don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to the channel. Like, let me know what you think about this content right in the comment section.
I am on my way to Ghana town in the Gambia. So I'm going to the Ghana town here in the Gambia to see how it is like, you know, meet the people there, you know, just tour around a little bit. My flights leave tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. So I just want to experience it before I leave, you know.
Last town start from that junction there. The story building goes.
Oh wow. So all the people who live here are Ghanaians?
Yeah, but nowadays they mix with the, you know, Gambian people, Senegalese people. But before, You know, it was only Ghanaian people, but they are the majority, huh?
Oh, Ghana Town shop.
Yeah, you can see. Yeah.
Wow.
All these are Ghanaians who are sitting. Yeah.
Hello? We are here in Ghana Town.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can talk to it. Good evening. Pacho, what to see? Me Ghana ni na ma ba hana pese me best ramu. Ah eh. Apa. Yeah na. It's no any fana else here ko.
One them dem pay for. I better compare for.
Bibi sana me ko chia. She's yeah.
Moko mo yi mi aka nba park wo bi aka asisi. Nti ko yi mama ngudu ebi wo wenyi mu. Mpenfu.
She's speaking cheat with me, guys. Yeah. This is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's my sister.
Wow, into no maybe sir. How did it come about? I know where Ghana for na mo ebane dey.
No dem sam wo Ghana na mso te Gambia na be pe ma ba. No na no mso tu kwa ba. Ndi kwa na ebisa.
Painful no matter. Ati me come ha ba. The frozen.
Me say
Efua. Me that's why.
Yeah.
Me dey coffee.
No me name you same. Nti na ye me think you ani.
Me that's it.
Okay.
All right, sister.
She has the same name as me.
Yeah.
She's Efua, Friday born.
Oh yeah.
But for female.
Okay.
And I'm Kofi, which is male born on Friday. That's interesting. Wow. We are Ghanaians, you know.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
You can park here, we walk a little bit.
Yeah. So I'm in the Ghanaian community now, guys. We are walking to the elders just to say hello. Even this ones. Pacho me chamo. Wow. Me fi Ghana na ba na almost Ghana town wa hanti me ba be sra no ma hwese na assistant. Ghana to say. Ghana nyam yaro bia wo ko. Yes we have. Nti munya wo Ghana for. Wow. Nti almost be hu painful no be say be say ba na den nti na munya mo ba ha na ade. Nti history no na me po bia. You get to ba ko no te why. We are Ghana from Ghana be our.
One got you pay for no company for one.
America they Wow.
Na masa awe Ghana sana ye be ma.
Ye Ghana.
Ghana wo. Na jina be be na na ye na ye Ghana fu ba ye wan won kasa ka record.
Ghana for. Hey. Oh wow. You're all Ghanaians, Charlie. Wow, that's amazing, man. I'm really excited to see them. Wow, everybody speaks Twi here. That's amazing.
They are your family.
Yeah, family, bro. Yeah. Amazing, man. YouTube, Patron. So, guys, I'm here with the chief. I'm in the Ghana town, and I'm here with Chief Kwabena Ekwam, and I want him to give us a background on how they came to be and how they came to the Gambia and they settled here. So, yeah. So, how did you guys resettle here?
Ghana, Gambia. The sheep no yakwa Senegal. And the yakwa Senegal. And na yakwa wedmana. nam le kopa onto ana gami be ka changa mu ko gami obe jima se ko nam moto ana ya pepe da ka ya ba
nti mo sete wo Dakar first Senegal
yeah bo shuna ba so
oh wow
I'm not saying I got to open the video. Okay, Nako. I don't know if you're a system. And I'll tell you now, Sunday, I was Saturday, I don't know if you. And my man got club Saturday, near Pima, the big Gambia. And I'm born a Gambia by on Chelsea. Now, baby, you are a bad no. Oh, no. Now, one Chelsea, yeah, and I am a Sabisa working away. But no, Quana, Jimmy Sabisu or better. Miss Apam probably coming in now, but no, was so bad. Mono will come. Would I was a Saturday, maybe. The Saturday, you know, when they yes, go up in the year, apple. And now over there. Would you?
No more than somebody. In how many years?
Before independence in Gambia.
In Gambia?
50-something years.
Before independence. Gambia, before
independence. Wow. The more have before independence. Now, I have some Jenny Ghana and Sana Mobile and I say, not Ghana to say that time.
Ghana should be as you are under the mina, the memory not probably been made to Quanco, Malobia. And I've been with you over Malobia. And what about Britain over Malobia? That's where you know when you skunk a caco. Now, I see a mobile as you. They pay who had you now, and that's now also, yes, you have got Britain. The Britain in there when you get the car. Not to fit and cry some of the car. Down can they have got the car? She put on your Britain. Anya bia na Senegal tan e boti nya go.
Na metese almost na mo pese mo ko eyi se krofo so wo Europe na ankwa na moja mo si ano na no krebe no.
Oh no, ye no kwa.
Ye no kwa.
Obi abaka na so ka je no gba.
Ya pe wa plane.
Mba.
Fish pujime anti.
Fishing.
Fishing ti ba. Jobi kana je kwa bechi na ya bodu oba na mesabu na maproba ya manu se wosu wanya no kwa bechi anti anya no kwa anti apebia na ba na ba ye anti ya ba no ya sate fishing ai bonga se bonga kokula ban se mi ban
Fisher. My year crow, yes.
And the started
money. Money.
And down on the other bar. And the other number Yanawa. Oh, if Tiaco, remember, one top. Now, what else are 110 years? We and see na PhD no. One man, Kako.
As a motion say, more than channel.
I want to take a conca.
Many me pick a coupon. Minyaka con for phone and cutting corner say, like super. The Kako started if he has a bazana. Sir, someone we are Kakono. When your idea anything for.
Idea ni ampen plan 1 year back. Let me be na me musa. Nti 1 year back no no wajini no. Ya na me eban ni 1 ton wa ha. Nti One man started Kako. Now, I see I am a plant worker and agent. Near started Kakono. The person I started Kakono, and I remember in the Yabi. Near Bobo case. Near Parkwood. Near Tete case. Tete case in their mamma paying for the Ghana.
Wow. Wow.
In Zaluka Ghana, never know, no. The Magna Park, I couldn't have partner was here. In Banin Manager was here.
It's been seen them goose as the Kakuka Ghana now.
See now.
Wow.
I can't be a Baba Basuku.
Wow. They are still shipping goods to Ghana as of today, guys. This is impressive. Wow.
And this is Tikako Ninka Ghana. Hanovi. And the Ghana Tower in Gambia. And the Ayana Dominic Ghana Ba. And I believe Namasapo about what I never go to Ghana. Masapa about the Ghana. And I didn't know Kakakla.
That's it. Wow.
First, you know what for ship.
Ship now, I think I could call.
First, number the for ship, but it's only for them. Car. In the car to me, fee her call Ghana. I didn't answer the Ghana.
Depend.
And I had that 2 weeks. I had that Yako Ghana. Oh no, 5 days prepared.
Into my mobile hang up Canada.
Oh wow.
So more we push up for how many fear we are feeling into more selling a chain Gambia.
Ana Ghana puna wo bi Ghana oba. Wo ba Ghana wo so wo ba customers. Ama jamanu ezinti adwene bi akwa Senegal. Ebi num sa Freetown.
Into 2 different countries. Guinea, Conakry. It's Atre.
Above me binu wa the go. Ona yade namle ko Ghana mo hu na. Na wo so wa payment. No what about now? Ebana namlanta actually na namni yenipi the person na namya no hakla nti amama namle gadi sin gapu anti na bi no kadi wo
na mutuba hai challenge ben ai challenge kwa ka otwi mu sei oh how hey muba hey ni ade oh how ben na ma akotru ni ade a munya mu de betu dwane a amanfo mo hwe ati
ya ba Gambia ha no ya yi Gambia ban iya samda
okay
enzi da minti Gambia ban ya pen ni Ghana ba da kupado na obi baha anu abi se Gambia ba na ko flower han ebla okwano en nam wala hey won hunu awogwa awose da bida asumje kwa lamu go bi so de ka wa na en hwata ma kan kan panchira ho la la ni Ghana po ya wa jina e ko bi ko na e ko tin da tuna mano obi aba sese se eko abem ma bi se Ghana plan wa se na o ka chole ye mu awo wa se da mu ko ku ye ba baba ma ye ji gugu ya ma nda wo se da ko bona na da baba te
nti kuro ayo wo mi ayi wa for na Ghana fo Gambia po wafa fu negna fu
Gambia plan e bato ko ya de mi ya wo mi se so de ko ne ka si wa amo ye Gambia po ni ya se ba da wo chance na ho ya palfo wa kopo
nti una mu fi ho ba
mo na ya ne kopo pesa ya ji
nti na mo ba Gambia na mo nkopo Sana mpesa ka.
Gambia for na.
Gambia for him see work.
When you see work no.
Ghana for now.
Ghana for Senegal.
Senegal for Gambia for them say why for Ghana for.
Okay.
No wa ba bi.
The international muntu bin kopo no musra na so muntu min yan so mukwa na bibi yom.
Wana am Gambia bia. I wa matumu ebi ne mbara ye ntire won. Esi ye tire won a. Am da gbani ya ti ma.
Muntu min.
Enti mo nyina.
And we ne ogunsu as na walking.
Nte ya bo ana. Nte mu ye du. So obi o wa nyina e afarefo ni bia wow but it says I'm also say teachers ni ade no so
actually na was ya bana ya mo oda wo ko school and I am not my problem
ya ko school
my problem one yeah afarefo and go class no ya but can be na wo ko school
nti ase ratio because when mo friend nyina ko school nti no ebedu mre bi afarefo nya besa na obesa
hey say my brother ba cha wo ko school say ya me ambo mo bi an yo fe en ya pe ba wona
ase ratio
ya you figure na ba
Gana for so bia ko school is o ko le video bia ko
school na bia ya fe no be say na me ya go pon na no hije bibia la ono timo mama obi yo fele otima mama obi si abana jura
you know Western region is the land of the fancy. What they speak is fancy. There's a difference between king and fancy. There's a slight difference.
Wako schools is still that's so
what they are speaking is
actually no say I say your friend say ubeko university now ko university usila uya unyeska just of kopo
we bidum kopo sa akachepo na akachepo ba water na bibi was what are your business one wako school now there bidum ba
ebe fade ko ekoton na Ghana nkwa na mo shepe ko anase Ghana nkwa adentia mo shepe nko biase afana nyina
say Ghana no we hunam Ghana no wash na fi auna ya dinamle ko Ghana obi nu moti mo di bi ko la jide ogoton binum wala ko la jide ogoton binum ko Burkina Faso auna wa yi Ghana shia
border yeah sa wow
nti ya han
nti mbisa ho mo wa hai sei mo wo Ghana passport na asa Gambia passport u tu kan akabrecha de na mo yusu
ngofa ya wo han obi anya 60 years so obi anya 50 ati dam gofuna wanya da me that when you the main
fino
out in them one them go up no binu or see like now binu ya obi teach school this also or maybe
wow
them not some not
this is
passport passport
Ghana passport oza iti obi o wanya tumi nya Ghana o mo person ko abrochira passport do no mbe o meje Gambia no meje Ghana
oh na bi
no odipe one say
no awana wo ha na wa ya 60 years 50 years ana 40 years 30 years ebinum ko Gambia wo ti mo passport
Ghana passport about my Ghana passport
yeah pass now and go for now ya mo ha na wa ya fi na go ko ma wa ya passport and human cafe na obi o ya passport o kwa masada o Senegal Sam,
we get a passport.
and here gonna passport. I come, I made him get a masado.
Into being here, you will call me the man.
One
man Ghana passport. Wow. This is impressive, and even though it's a Ghana town here, they're in Gambia. If they want passport, they can go to Senegal to get a Ghana passport. That is impressive. Wow. You went through me here, family. So it will be a how Mokachi near them say, wow, that's really nice.
Wow. Ghana, I also go for more. One hour television, I don't know. Was having my watches my color. No, ban about the edge my. I am always in Panama, Nasu, I could come home. Oh, that I know the chat, no chocolate. And the memory is the omnibus was so one. Na person wa papa.
Ndi afi a ban ba so almost an enko for the abana so munyamba. Aban for free abas muni maban was sia Ghana. Ekufa do aban.
Ekufa do sia yi. Yeah me dem ko na mo dem no. Afibia dom ko Ghana afibia.
Afibia ko.
Afibia dom boko. Se gba mtre. Ma check ma mesha. October. Na mo Ghana.
Sa o kwa udi na say.
I'm not going to be
depend.
That's why I'm going to be 9 months. I choose I'm going to be 5.
Wow.
I choose I'm going to be
4. Is it depending? Wow. Wow. Madam Master, really. Where drew me, guys? This is an experience.
But I don't know. Ghana town from there. And the card if you are called.
Ghana.
Yeah. Me card number boko. And she said, "Edu border
checkpoint."
And now, why charge you? Scared be Mansana?
I didn't hear.
Checkpoint your doors. Before you go to Ghana, no, scared. If you want to see or see,
Maybe by 20,000 safer.
Answer what could Ghana.
Answer the whole passport was sample now.
20,000 safer. I say what Gambia city.
Almost out of 4 million.
4 million.
Why Ghana? Oh wait.
20,000 safer.
20,000 Ghana. About 30 million.
4 million.
400 Ghana cities and
4 million.
Wow. And so what could do Ghana? Stamp back up. Now we have stamp saying.
Hey,
now 20,000
20,000 200 million.
4 million.
4 million. 4 million.
Before I had nothing process before I would do Ghana no. Stamp on one watching one there. Most best.
Oh no, it depends.
Because I had with us in a border. Muddy border.
Is so almost say ECOWAS. ECOWAS and so I can say it's here.
What kind of cake?
Baubetia. We do
by force.
Yes, I
then I'm over there almost to me a phone.
Oh, I said that may know will be bigger come. I think that what's up about what I'm getting 20,000. 20,000 is go Ghana. And now, if you had a those men. And it's that African
So what he's saying is when you are traveling through the borders by road, every single border takes money from you, but they have ECOWAS passports and ID card.
Oh yeah. So what you got here? Honor get a ID card or get a passport. And will charge you 20,000.
Wow.
But you man near here and Pempe, someone who I am 10,000.
I want to so.
Oh, I have to see the camera. I love your paying. Nothing about mental be work 20.
10, 5,
15,
20.
10. Ah, the way, yeah. No, I'm going to 10. Nti the bay na all hanya kwam. Nti se pie do kwa babaka ya border no dos.
Check point.
Ghana kwa na ho wad no on dos. They do Ghana border and they happy. As I won't charge you.
Yes, sometimes Ghana is a less corrupt country.
Sorry to say, Ghana is where I say it's about now. We room Ghana. Check point to be a yo. Obey you, a woman Ghana, obey you, obey so. Yeah, obey so there, cut away. Name me on the baby, name me on
the piece in Ghana, the Kogana, or Quemo, Edu border now, wash away. A boko boko way in Kakana, I got to a principal. Was I a baby 2,000, 3,000. Well, they were checking a body wearing. It was when your grandma was with this guy.
Because someone said more the goose air continuous can't tell somebody be Nipano crack. Hey. Wow. Man, I hope the authorities involved are watching. Wow, this is interesting.
Senegal, I'm a bad border.
Mali to Burkina. Now, what says, expect over a spectacle. Minutes and hours to do over a spectacle. 1 million no money in a day, and go from and expect until no be interest casino. The governor say, okay, Ubertia, and now we need a man go for. Governor beside passengers will say, Ubertia 10,000, no, the stamp for no mamma, no, I contempt. And now we need a man now from now, you give them one on him. So now, I say to waste our time. You know, we are in China and call.
Where are some? The found Obi or the Pabonede at the Biba or Chia or the Vetmiaco. Yes, some.
Baby, I was such a woman. What we filmed there at the baby woman.
More message, final message. I will Emma Ghana for Nama for Moshama. Then I'm Becca. Will be a candidate of our commander West Sassy. Oh, in Clatwa.
There.
Bibia,
more to Kulana. More to Kulana, okay, no pardon.
I'm waiting.
There if you have Ghana.
Mpasa Mbagana.
Chako Ghana.
Oko Ghana, Quina Mofaso, Monteso.
The Mekal, border number charge and also.
Okay, man.
The Hanan is leather, so you be you will not be here. You are buying a crack.
Okay,
checkpoint.
There's a Yawahan or Biba or Nigerian there and go Ghana. Happy being where what we are going Ghana. Happy Ghana. Yeah, Domina Boko. We walk that's the year we walk and we walk. Now that's it.
The more roaster, more
Tell you one more Ghana walk school.
Oh, Mount Ghana. So, hey.
Mama Ghana,
Mankasim, Kumasi. The way then I can't Kumasi. Infantine. Munya Fancy for.
Yeah, Ben, I have
China,
I can't for.
A Santipo was over like Melity. I could Melity and also and this is I will have Santima.
Wow.
Final result, I'm about to Uganda. Where the Majama, Yakum Funa or Casmas. Ya ho chini ya papa so won't me go unto the Gato de Aqua Mama present and asserted. Ya Pama ya papa was seeing a pipa from Bissau. Ya people na most best 1 minute safer. Yeah, yes, I do put Musano Masachi and a more disca. Yeah, bro, home papa. Yeah, go to me or the assassin of Cabem.
I said that I Chemi and I said that I'm not been more Senegal, assassin customers. nti ho bisau pu hoko okopo bisau wa Senegal so okopo bisau
sende nyamra ana
meba ana answer na okopo bisau na o say yin kata bi bisau aba nti dam kata wa de mo wi a wa mo tim da pokwa wo pro e ko san wa achiro 1.5 saver 1,500,000 Adabis gana damu ko fu ihe ye bu na o ye wis gana we sa am confidence kana one pa won ya na wa medin one pa mo bi
no ma je fi won se
mo ma je fi se ndi se ko fi a 1.5 na safe na ana ambi wa de wa medin na mo
sa ko be so anwa
sa ko be wa chiro mu LTS kanu Ochina koso abachirugo.
Na so mbese mba ho biem no.
Wa pia ya ko ya bu opunu mu. Na so pia ya ko ya opunu mu. Wa la me people na chere. Ime timu kata de mbongo. Nti me timu kata de ya ko opunu. Na me timu ga ye imde ke timu kata nti asada ya ko. Ya ko sa wa chi.
Yes. Battery ni rewu nti no mo message bi a
mo wi there gana ba won fan ni ne su da there biso o ba ji gana skin ya gana skin ya boko biso
anwa wa ya jo
yo ne de ba wa ki ya me 8 10 na 2 minutes sefa
2 minutes sefa ba Gambia skama ya zai
esko pa
ne de bia wachi chimo de ma ne yinse so ko gana wa lo ni wo gana lo ni wa gana wo so bre ejuma isan ne de bia no 2 million de bia 2 million gana skana ongogo bisaw fo gana fi gana skin yara de gana aba offense
1 million de ba Gambia 1 million na aba 90,000
Gambia. That's like almost $2,000. Wow, interesting. Guys, made Hayford.
What?
Hayford Budu Dakon. Budu
Ghana embassy, Gambia.
Yeah.
Ghana embassy.
Okay, the money Ghana embassy.
No. And the other Gambia, but Ghana embassy.
Dakar Penewo.
Ghana embassy.
That's a good question.
Yeah, that sounds crazy. I don't understand why.
He posed a very good question. Why Ghana embassy is not in the Gambia? That's a good question, actually.
Dakar passport woman. So if I have passport, you say aspire. Then to over there, you could get finance stamp. Dakar, one for more. What time for Abu Ghana?
And some of you Ghana Mraba. Because some machine on the moon need one as well, Medasi, we're about to new one.
Okay.
So this is the Ghanaian community in Gambia. So if you've never heard it before or never seen it before, this is the Ghanaian community in Gambia. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching to this point. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, like, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Until next time, see you, stay safe, peace out.